Alleged terrorism. Kanu assembles 2 sons, 10 other lawyers as court grants accelerated hearing. Welcome to Senok Media. If you are viewing our channel for the first time, kindly subscribe, like, comment, and share our videos. The much awaited recommencement of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu held today. The leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, appeared composed and calm as he was rearraigned on terrorism charges at the Federal High Court in Abuja on Friday. Kanu, facing a 7-count charge, pleaded not guilty before Justice James Omotosho. His rearraignment followed a message of apology delivered on his behalf by his new legal representative, Chief Kanu Agabi, a former Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice. The message, titled Apology by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, delivered on his behalf by Kanu G. Agabi, SAN-CON, extended regrets to Justice Binta Onyanko, Federal Government Prosecutor Chief Adegboyega Awomolo, SAN, and Kanu's previous legal team, acknowledging past actions taken in anger. Previously, Kanu had faced trial before Justice Onyanko on a 15-count charge following his return to Nigeria from Kenya in June 2021. In April 2022, 8 of the charges were struck out, while the remaining 7 were later dismissed by the Court of Appeal in October 2022. However, the federal government challenged the ruling at the Supreme Court, which reinstated the charges and ordered his continued trial. At Friday's proceedings, Justice Omotosho renumbered the charges, converting Count 8 to Count 6 and Count 15 to Count 7. Kanu subsequently entered a not guilty plea on all counts. Federal Government Prosecutor Awomolo, SAN, signaled readiness for trial and requested an accelerated hearing, which was granted. Kanu's defense team, led by Chief Agabi, did not object. The court scheduled the trial for April 29, May 2, and May 6. Throughout the proceedings, Kanu, dressed in his usual sportswear, remained composed. The charges against him stem from alleged inflammatory broadcasts, including directives on a sit-at-home order in the southeast, which the government claims led to disruptions in business activities and public movement. Additionally, he is accused of inciting attacks against security personnel and illegally importing a radio transmitter into the country. Platinum Post gathered that Kanu's legal team comprises 2 senior advocates of Nigeria, Chief Kanu Agabi and Uchenna Njoku, alongside 10 other lawyers, including Aloy Ejimako, PAN Ejofo, Maxwell Okpara, Patrick Agaze, Emmanuel Ezugo, Jude Ugwanyi, Mandela Umegburugu, Mary Francis Orji, Ikenna Wangu, and Elom Christian. The court proceedings will continue on the scheduled trial dates as both sides prepare for the legal battle ahead. It's okay. The much awaited trial has commenced, and it is gratifying to hear the prosecutor, Awomolo, saying he was ready for an expedited trial. That's a good thing, because the Kanu trial has been on for a decade. For the past 10 years, it has been one judicial somersault or another. So it is good that both the prosecutor and the defense team are ready for trial, and they intend to make the trial a speedy one. It is our hope that there will not be miscarriage of justice. It is our hope too that there will not be another convoluted argument that will